So I just pulled out this rotisserie chicken from the Instant Pot. When you have like extra meat left on it and don't know what to do with it, you just put it in the Instant Pot for about 25 minutes. I then took it out. You put it in the Instant Pot with a little bit of liquid, a little bit of water. So I just took it out, and then I added just a half a bag of frozen mixed vegetables. Once this cools down, you'll just want to take the meat off of the bone and just put it in here. I'm also cutting a small onion, just like this, and then just put it in. Now, the liquid is just chicken broth that came straight from the chicken. When you add a little water and you cook this together, that's how you get the chicken broth. I add some garlic and some salt and pepper. I actually turned it now on to saute so it can start heating up and cooking the vegetables and the onions. And another reason why I am turning it on saute is because I want to cook down the liquid. I want to reduce the broth a little bit so it's thicker. I'm just going to continue to cook this down and pull apart the chicken. You only kind of want to break it up a little bit. You don't want it stringy. Now I went ahead and got a big cheesecake pan, and then I'm just gonna get pre-made crust. You can make it yourself, but this is just so it's easy. It's like this, and it comes with one more, and so I'll put that over the top. So I added a little bit of flour to thicken up the liquid. Sometimes I add heavy whipping cream if I want it creamy. Now I'm just gonna add this to the pie crust. And I'm gonna kind of push it down a little bit. And now I'm gonna put the other pie crust over the top. And you just wanna take either a fork to push both pie crusts together, or you can always use your finger too and kind of fold it together, but this is just kind of an easy way. And do that all the way around. This seals your pie. All right, just like this, and then you want to take your fork and make a couple of vent holes in the middle. And you can always do a cool design if you want. And now into the oven at 350 it goes. And a helpful hint is I usually take a pizza pan, and put it underneath just in case any liquid spills over. It just spills right into the pan. And when it's golden brown and bubbling up, it is done.